Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are, all of us here in the JB studios, are going to be reviewing this Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. And I have been wearing it for a few hours now. You'll see at the end of the video why. But yeah, if you want to see how this applies, my thoughts on it, and what I recommend, please keep watching and let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to put on my favorite primer, which is the Tarte Poreless. Okay, so this is about where my microphone stopped working, but as you can see, it has a really nice pump application. And as I am pumping it onto the back of my hand, the consistency is really liquid-like, which I prefer a more liquid consistency than a thicker mousse formula. I just feel like it blends into the skin better. And the application sponge is really, really nice. I really like it. It is a little bit more dense than the Beauty Blender, like it is not as porous, but I still really like it, and I really like the dome piece at the top. That sounded funny. But the pointier edge makes it easier to get underneath your eyes. And as you can see, the coverage is really nice and full. You can see the blemish that I have in my hairline is really easily covered up. As far as like covering the redness, my earring just came out. However, the redness is pretty much gone, and that is really awesome for me because I don't like to have too many steps in my coverage. So if I remember, I was saying that it really looks like my skin, like the finish. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing any foundation at all. There is no greasy shine, like it is actually oil free, and I feel like it is not super matte. So I feel, even looking back at this now, that it looks super skin-like. I just feel so many emotions. And so I'm going to finish up the rest of my face with my concealer and my bronzer and blush and all of that business. And I'm going to tell you my final thoughts at the end. So I'm going to speed through this. Okay, so I was uploading the footage and I realized that like all my audio cut out, so I really hope that this is picking up the audio. So I just wanted to say that I wasn't sure if it was going to be my shade, and so I was really happy to see that the little info card came with some samples. I haven't had to use them yet, but I am saying it's probably been 2 hours that I've had this foundation on, but I feel already confident enough to say that this is my new favorite foundation. My first comparison is always to the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, but wow, this foundation is super beautiful. The finish is super skin-like. It is oil-free, and I feel like that really lives up to that statement. And my skin is a little bit more on the drier side of combination, but it looks absolutely stunning. I absolutely love it. And surprisingly, I feel like it's a good match to my skin. So that is what I wanted to say, that this foundation is stunning. The finish is just skin-like. I can't believe it has taken me this long to try this foundation. So I highly, highly recommend this. I absolutely love it. So I will say that I'm going to put the little price points of each, the Dose of Colors and the Too Faced. And I don't know if they sell this in stores because I've been in Okinawa. I don't know if these are in stores yet or if it's only online. But not like we're going anywhere anyway these days. And the sponge is phenomenal. I absolutely love this sponge. I feel like it is really comparable to the Beauty Blender sponges. Excuse me. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I try to do reviews. I know maybe sometimes it can seem a little biased because I feel like I love everything that I try. So if I come across anything that I don't like, I definitely will let you guys know. I'm just rambling at this point. I'm just like praying that my audio is gonna work here. But yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like reviews like this, please let me know by liking this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.